Hello students, as we completed our poetry, that is the Inchcap Rock. Today we are going to understand what are the figure of speech which are there in the poetry. Okay, we go with the stanza by stanza, one by one. Okay, in first stanza, look at the. I will tell you. You have to underline the word and write the figure of speech. You have to also give the figure of speech. I told you which figure of speech is there in the stanza, and you have to write the figure of speech with explanation. Okay, please note it in your notebook also. Okay, it is easy for you for the repetition, or we can say that for revision at while you are going to exam. Okay, now look at no stir in the air, no stir in the sea. Here the word no stir and no stir is repeated. Okay, that's why the figure of speech is repetition. Which figure of speech is in sentence? Repetition. You have to write. I don't write here. Okay, you have to write the name of figure of speech. Which figure of speech? Repetition. Why it is repetition? Because the word no stir is repeatedly used repeatedly. Okay, thereafter the sheep was, this second line, the sheep was as still as she could be. As she could be. Okay, here the figure of speech is a personification. Which figure of speech? Personification. Why personification? Because sheep is, you have to write the explanation of that figure of speech. Okay, what is the explanation? Sheep is spoken of as she, as if a human being. Okay, sheep is spoken she as human being. Okay, that's why it is personification. Sorry. Thereafter, last line of this stanza, mm, on. Uh, yes. No, no. This one is. Okay. Last line. On a bio in the storm, it floated on song. This is the line. Alliteration is here. Why? Because O oval, O on, boy, storm, floated, O oval is repeated. That's why the figure of speech is alliteration. Which is the figure of speech? Alliteration. 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 Okay, alliteration. What is the explanation? O sound is, or O vowel is repeated. That's why it is the alliteration. In the next stanza, right? Next stanza. Mm, okay, next stanza, that is sun heaven will shine. Look at this, sun and shine. S sound is repeated, that's why it is also the alliteration. Okay, surges, swells, it is also alliteration. Examples of the alliteration. Then she screamed. Okay, in both stanza, alliteration figure of speech is used because S sound is repeated, or S sound is repeatedly used. Okay, thereafter, in this stanza, here it is also yes, yes. Okay, uh, S sound is repeatedly used. That's why alliteration. Alliteration is used most. Fine. Then, in this stanza, the last stanza of the page number 105. Huh. Down sung the bell, the first line. The down sung the bell with a gurgling sound. Gurgling sound. यहाँ पे पूछा भी गया, फाइंड अ फिगर ऑफ स्पीच, है ना? विच ऑफ फिगर ऑफ स्पीच? ओनोमेटोपैया. ओनोमेटोपैया. ओ नो मैं तो पोया. onomatopoeia. Okay, why it is onomatopoeia? Explanation of this figure of speech is sound of the word. Which word? Gurgling sound. We have to write sound of the word लिखना है आपको. Gurgling round resembles their meaning. Okay. फॉर एक्झाम्पल मराठीत सांगायचं झालं तर दरवाजा धडकीने बंद केला. धडकन. इट साऊंड गेट इट्स ओन मिनिंग. ओके, दॅट्स वाय इट इज द onomatopoeia. Thereafter, here it is also sir, sell, scored, seize, then store, steer, Scotland, shore. Here it is also alliteration. Which figure of speech? Alliteration. Why? Because S sound is repeatedly used. S sound is repeatedly used. That's why figure of speech is alliteration. Okay. Then thereafter, on this stanza, on the deck the rover take his stand. Okay. Which figure of speech? Inversion. Inversion. Why inversion? Because the order of the sentence is not correct, and the correct order of the sentence is, है ना, order of the sentence is not correct. Why? On the deck the rover take his stand. The order it is used, incorrect order is used to make impact of that line. Okay, but the correct order is the rover takes his stand on the deck. आया समझ में? ये सेंटेंस में सेंटेंस का ऑर्डर करेक्ट नहीं है. यू हैव टू राइट एक्सप्लेनेशन. एक्सप्लेनेशन में क्या लिखोगे? द ऑर्डर ऑफ द सेंटेंस इज नॉट करेक्ट, and the correct order of the sentence is the rover take his stand on the deck. Okay, that's why the figure of speech is inversion. Okay, then thereafter last line. Here, okay. O Christ, it is the inch-capped rock. O Christ, O Christ. This is apostrophe. Apostrophe. P-H-E. Okay. Why it is an apostrophe figure of speech? Because speaker is addressing someone who is not there. Speaker is addressing someone who is not there. O Christ. Okay, that's why the figure of speech is apostrophe. Fine. And last line of this poetry is that devil below was ringing his nail. Devil, last line. Okay, this line shows metaphor. Which figure of speech? Metaphor. Why metaphor? Because the pirate was fearful, and in his last moment he imagined the devil ringing the bell for his nail. That means he was sure of going to hell. Okay, that's why this figure of speech is metaphor. Okay, these are the figure of speech which are used in this poetry: repetition, alliteration, inversion, onomatopoeia, then metaphor. Okay, these are the figure of speech. Thereafter I tell you some meaning. यहाँ पे एक वर्ड आया था गेल. गेल सेकंड स्टैंजा. ओ राल्फ, इसके पहले का. यह एक मीनिंग आपको लिखना है. सोथिका, सोथी, गेल. What is mean by gale? Means very strong will, very strong wind. ओके, WIND, विंड, गेल मीन्स, ओके, इसका मीनिंग ध्यान में रखना है। फाइन, तो यहाँ पे अपनी पोएट्री अब कंप्लीट हो चुकी है। ओके, हियर अवर पोएट्री इज कंप्लीट।